My name's Ken McGarr. I'm the corporate chef with Panasonic for home appliance, both consumer and commercial. As you know, Panasonic essentially exited the plasma television business last year, and a greater emphasis has been put on every other division within Panasonic, both B2B and B2C. Specifically here, the emphasis put on the home appliance and kitchen appliance division has been very, very high. Double-edged sword, a lot of work, but a lot of good things coming to the fore. Just a couple of things I'd like to go over with you. First of all is our overall design feature that's you're going to see consistently throughout Panasonic kitchen appliance products going forward. This is our power blender. The power blender has over 800 watts of grinding, cooking, and mixing power. When you first turn the unit on, it is icon driven. Someone said emojis the other day and made me laugh. But for example, we have smoothies, vegetable purees, super puree for things like baby food or even people with dietary problems such as dysphagia, trouble swallowing. It can cook soup, crack nuts, or even grind coffee, ice, and then of course, in case you don't know which one to use, there's always a manual mode that you can access. Right here today for CES 2016, we've been serving smoothies as well as a garlic parmesan basil pesto. Just one of the myriad of things that this particular piece of equipment can do. As we come over to some of our other products that we're introducing at CES, this is kind of our triple lineup here. So you'll see the blender again. This is a food processor and a mini chopper blender grinder, depending on the application that you want to use them for. The other thing, we can go back over to the demonstration area. This is a mock-up of a prototype oven that we're going to be introducing late in 16. This unit uses 3 different types of technologies that are proprietary to Panasonic. It will also be Android-based from a standpoint of operation, as well as a USB port to download recipes, menus, cooking guidelines, and so on. We're very excited about Panasonic cooking appliances going forward into 16 and beyond, the base of which has always been our bread and butter, if you'll forgive the pun, the inverter microwave oven. The inverter microwave oven is the only oven that has inverter technology out in the market made by Panasonic. And by inverter, traditional microwave ovens in their lower power settings will cycle 100% power on and then off. Not truly a lower power. Envision poaching fish on the stovetop and bringing your poaching liquid and fish up to a boil and then turning it completely off. Not exactly a traditional cooking method. And that's how traditional microwaves would poach fish, not Panasonic inverter. If I were to set a power level of 40% power, we would get continuous power, 40% of 1250 watts throughout the cooking process. No rapid boiling, no cessation of energy, which would negatively affect what you're trying to cook. The other area where this excels is in defrosting. Traditionally, with microwave defrosting, you'll see grayed or cooked edges and still frozen centers. In addition to the inverter technology, in 2016, Panasonic is introducing Cyclonic Energy Delivery. And Cyclonic Energy Delivery, again proprietary to Panasonic, delivers energy differently into the cavity. Rather than just raining energy inside, like a cyclone, it swirls to the inside and affects, cooks, defrosts completely different from what you're used to with traditional microwave cooking. Panasonic also is the only microwave oven company and kitchen appliance company that employs full-time certified chefs, food technologists, home economists, and food scientists. We're a global company with our emphasis on cooking, healthy cooking, and better eating.
Need to record and share your power sport adventures in stunning 4K. The Lumix 4K bullpen can be found just to my left. It's an industry leader and innovator in 4K imaging technology. If you want to take a deep dive into what to do for 2016, you can touch and try our latest 4K photo and video technology right here in our bullpen. Whether you're a photo enthusiast or a professional photographer, Panasonic 4K is perfect for the person who knows that moment can happen anytime and doesn't want to leave anything for chance. Helping people live better at home, work smarter in business, go forward when traveling,